Skies are getting dark, clouds are rolling in, storms of life fill our hearts with pain. Just let the Savior in, for when we trust in Him, He will lead us beyond the rain, beyond the rain. There'll be no dying, no more crying, no more pain. If you put your life in the hands of Jesus, He will lead you beyond the rain. We live our lives alone, we try to carry on, yet heartache and emptiness remain. Just hold on to God's hand, He will lead you to a land where the sun will always shine beyond the rain, beyond the rain. There'll be no dying, no more crying, no more pain. If you put your life in the hands of Jesus, He will lead you beyond the rain. The battle has been won. God sent His only Son to fulfill the promise of His holy name. If only we believe, what a gift we will receive to live with Jesus beyond the rain, beyond the rain. There'll be no dying, no more crying, no more pain. If we put our life in the hands of Jesus, He will lead you beyond the